Hello students, we are going to discuss today the molecular mass. How to find out the molecular mass of a particular molecule. To find out the molecular mass of a particular molecule, we should know the atomic mass of all the atoms which constitute together to form that molecule. So you should have the knowledge of the atomic mass, that's why for all the elements, and that one you have already learned. Here I am writing the atomic mass of some of the element. Hydrogen atomic mass 1, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, sodium 23, magnesium 24, chlorine 35.5 and calcium 40. So these are some, only some I am writing here. To find out the molecular mass, now you should know which two type of or more than two type of atom of different element constitute together to form that molecule. I am taking the example, simplest example of water. So this is water molecule. So from this formula you are coming to know that water is formed, one molecule of water is formed by combining two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. We know the atomic mass of hydrogen and oxygen. So how to find out the molecular mass of water now? You have to add the atomic mass of each and every atom of different element which constitute together to form this particular molecule. Now we have seen two atoms of hydrogen are there. Atomic mass of one hydrogen is 1. So you can write like this, 1 plus 1 because 2 hydrogen plus oxygen atomic mass 16 unit U. So how much it will be? It will be 18 U. But instead of that you can do like this also, the water atomic mass. Instead of writing 1 plus 1 you can write like this, atomic mass of one hydrogen 1 multiplied by 2 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So what will be the molecular mass of water? It will be 18 U. U is the unit, unified mass. So similar to that way, I am taking another example of carbon dioxide, CO2. That means to find out the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, you have to add the atomic mass of one carbon atom and atomic mass of two oxygen atom. So how to find it out? Carbon atomic mass how much? 12 plus oxygen atomic mass 16. You can write 16 plus 16, but you can do it like this also. Atomic mass of one oxygen 16 multiplied by 2. So this one. So what will be the value? 12 plus 32 in the next step, and finally it will be 44 U. So 44 U, this is U. 44 U, unified mass is the unit. So 44 U is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Hope you will be able to find it out in this way now. It is a very simple process, but you have to remember the atomic mass of the atoms which we have already discussed in the element table. Now I am taking another example, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride formula is NaCl. Molecular mass of sodium chloride, atomic mass of sodium atom is 23 plus 1 chlorine. Chlorine atomic mass 35.5. All of you know how we have got 35.5 because it's the average atomic mass of two isotopes of chlorine. Chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, which I have discussed already in another video. So how much it will be? Unit will be U. So how much it will be? 58.5 U. So this is the molecular mass of sodium chloride. So in this way we will able to find out the molecular mass of, you can find out the molecular mass of all the different type of molecules, but you should have the knowledge about the atomic mass, and that one you have to remember properly. So you will try to do some other examples. And if you get any other examples of finding out the molecular mass of different molecule, I think you will able to find it out like this. So this one of molecular mass you have to learn now. It is very easy also, but we need this molecular mass finding out process in different problem based on the mole concept. So hope you have understood. Thank you very much.